Hello guys, today I'm playing with friends in the forest.
Okej, dobra, zaczynamy. Ja idę. Kamil, Kamil, tu się, tu jest coś pisze, tak czerwone jest. Dobra.
The game mode is attack and defense. I'm on the attacking side. My team is made up of 6 players. We need to attack a base that's on a little hill, about 200 meters away from us. We've got twice as much players, because it's harder to attack than defense. I'm going around the base to attack my enemies from the back. I don't want them to notice me, so I'm going far around, and it takes a while.
Jeszcze kawałek pójdziemy.
I'm walking with two of my friends. Their role is a bit different.
Kamil, mój brat, bo to jest mój brat. Ty pójdziesz za mną. Ty teraz idziesz tak. Idziesz prosto i rozumiem walczyć z nimi. Normalnie teraz rozłączymy się i iść tam. Teraz. Tak, oczywiście.
I wanted Camille to distract the enemies, so I could easily sneak around with them. Now is the key moment, because we are most likely to get noticed now.
Ważne, jak coś zobaczysz, od razu mów, bo to ważne jest. Jakikolwiek ruch.
Those who played Airsoft before know what I mean. It is very easy to notice someone running or moving in the forest. It was Camille that my friend noticed, so it's okay.
Aha, dobra. Okej, to nie, to dobrze. Okej. Chodź, idziemy. Żeby nas nie zauważyli.
Now I've noticed an enemy. It was the enemy's scouter. They sent him to stop us going around. The reason why I've missed was because the enemy was quite far and he was running, so it was very difficult to hit him. Now I am just slowly walking towards the enemy's base. Let's jump to a moment where it will be more interesting. Notice how I'm running from one bush to another. I always want to have some kind of protection in front of me.
Widzę. Patrz, zobacz. Zaś z niej strzał. Widzisz strzał.
I wasn't sure what to do now. I had to go somewhere else. I saw some movement in the bushes and I started to shoot in that direction. Unfortunately, they've noticed us again, and we had to run away. As you could see in the video, there was mud, and I slipped on it. Plus, I thought I've noticed someone.
Chodź. Ja wiem co zrobię. Gdzie? Daleko? Ma kapelusz? To nie, to Maciek jest, to Maciek jest. Ale jak daleko było? Tak? Aż tak blisko?
The reason why we were so careful was because we could only get hit once, and this was the end for you. We wanted to fight as long as possible.
No wiem, wiesz co? Trzeba zrobić inaczej. Pójdź bardziej w prawą stronę. No, bo oni jak wiedzą, że jesteśmy razem, to... Bo oni się komunikują, wiesz? Bo oni sami się mówią. To już... No nie? Tak, i... No nie, raczej nie. Znaczy, zaraz tego, czy jest medyk. A raczej będę piękać. Po prostu pójdź... No, na razie jedno życie. Potem uzgodnimy jeszcze medyków, bo na razie nie gramy bez medyków. To jest taka pierwsza runda. Co? Idź, ale ostrożnie, bo powiedz, że nie da się zobaczyć.
I've decided it would be a better idea that we split up, because, as you can see, my friend's camouflage isn't the best one, and everybody could see him. I wanted to attack from the other side, and I wanted him to distract the enemies, so my task would be easier.
Kurde no.
I got annoyed because someone was shooting in my direction again.
Tak? Daleko? Idzie do naszej strony? Idzie do nas? Czy nie?
I'm not sure if I hit him. Probably I did. I saw someone, but he was out of my range. I couldn't shoot. I was waiting for the right moment. He thought he hit me, but he never did. Now I have to go somewhere else, because they know I'm here. I just saw in a video that the BB hit me, but I never felt it. It was probably someone with a sniper rifle shooting from a far distance, and the BB was really slow, so I didn't feel it. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to be a cheater, I just didn't feel it. This is the advantage of snipers in Airsoft. They can shoot from far distance and you never see them. I tried to be really careful, because I knew there is someone there. I was close to the enemy base. It was my target. I thought I saw someone running, so I immediately started to shoot there. My friend came to me. He wanted us to attack at the same time from different angles.
No dobrze.
Now I'm really close. It is a kill moment.
Co? 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 Ja, co? Ja zabiję tak? Ja nie dostałem. Nie, ja w życiu nie dostałem. No możliwe, przecież ja z takiej odległości poczułbym na pewno z takiej odległości. Nie wiem, ja to nie zabiję. Ej! Już nikt nie żyje?
If you didn't understand what happened, I'm going to explain. I was running towards the bunker, and my friend started shooting. The bullets flew really close to my face, and that's why I moved my hand. He thought he hit me in my face, and he stopped shooting. He was confused when I started shooting at him, so that's why we had a little argument. Please leave a like if you liked my video, or dislike if you didn't. Also, please write a comment to let me know what I should improve on. Thank you for watching, guys.